Hello guys, today I've got the Marshall Heston 60 and I'm going to show you how to fix that your device is quiet. So actually this issue is quite common on many soundbars and this is just human mistake. At first open the Marshall application and now make sure that volume level is not set to 0. So just try to switch it to maybe 100% for a moment. Apart from that, check if your TV or any other device volume level is not low. Increase it to some 50 maybe level or 60. It sometimes works like this. Apart from that, scroll down till you see the setup and calibration. In this section, tap surround control. Make sure that you don't have here set -6 decibels on both channels. Make it 0 to both, left and right. And as the, maybe not final, but as the almost final thing, open the, what I want here, room correction. Perform it, tap calibrate and perform the room correction. Make sure that it's quiet in your room during the analysis and everything should be fine because your speaker will adapt to your surroundings. What else I wanted to show you is the player. If you are playing music from some Spotify or some Apple Music, try to switch to some different one. For example, try using YouTube Music or try using Apple Music if you were using Spotify or other way around. You know what I mean. Just try and detect if it's not a player issue. Try to plug the cable all the way in because it may be default too, and try to change the outlets because when you have many things plugged into the one outlet, and you know, maybe not one, but you know, to this extension, the less power can be delivered to the soundbar and it can lead to some quieter sound or something like that. Goodbye.